Alright, so in this video, we're gonna make steak tacos. So what I do, I like to date store-bought tortillas, or you can get your own. But white corn tortillas, my favorite. And I take them, put them in a little hot oil to get them soft and crispy enough where you can bend them and not break, but yet not too crispy. That's pretty good. Then you can use a paper towel. I like using these nice kitchen towels. Put them on a plate. Help soak some of the oil, grease, whatever. Then I have these ingredients. I got a little bit of cheese if you like cheese. This is rice. This is jasmine rice. A little bit of black bean. And I already have pre-portioned some steak. A little bit of steak there. And I also have some caramelized onions. And then I top it off with a little bit of cilantro. And then I got these nice sauces. Here, I think this was my favorite. Okay, just like so. And there's your end product. Garnish with the lime slices, lime wedges. Serve. Voila.